Thank you very much. I love you. I am nothing without you all. Thank you. I love you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bring me your next jowa. Bring me bastizo. Bring me bastizo. Bastizo. I love you. I love you. Thank you. This is our. What is your name? Laura. Laura. You from? Laura. Okay. Where in Philippines? Batanes. Batangas. No. Batanes. Batanes. Okay. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Bring me 25 peso. 20 peso. 20 peso. 20 peso.
Peso, peso.
No, 20 peso. 20 peso. 20 peso. 20 peso. What is your name? Aisha. You are from Zamboanga or Maguindanao? Thank you. Thank you, Ate. Thank you. Bring me Philippine driver license. Philippine driver license. Philippine driver license. Philippine driver license. Oh! What is the name? Rizzo. Rizzo. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Bring me G-Shock watch. G-Shock. G-Shock watch. G-Shock. G-Shock. Okay, what is your name?
Estimador.
Estimador. How many jowa ka dyan, Miro?
Only one in Dubai and one in Philippines.
This is the Loyal boy. This is the Filipino boy. Congratulations. I love you, ha? Okay.